In this video, we're going to take a look at Amazon Polly and see how you can turn plain text into clear, natural sounding speech in just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know what Polly is, how to use it in real scenarios, and how it fits into AWS. In the past, if you wanted a computer to speak, you usually had to record human voices for every message or run your own text-to-speech software on your servers. That meant a lot of setup and maintenance. Amazon Polly moves that work into the cloud and you get a scalable, high-quality speech without managing the models or infrastructure yourself. Polly is an AWS service that takes text you provide and converts it into spoken audio using deep learning. You don't need to understand the AI behind it. Just think of it as an AWS doing the heavy lifting to make the voices sound natural. You send the text, Polly processes it, you get an audio back that you can play, download, or integrate into your applications. Just like other AWS services, Polly is also a fully managed service with many voices and languages ready to use. Now let's talk about some of the key features of Amazon Polly. First, text-to-speech with different voice options. You aren't limited to a single generic voice. Polly gives you a list of voices to choose from, each with its own accent and tone. For example, you can select a friendly English voice, a more formal one, or pick a different language entirely. This is very useful when you want your application to speak in a way that matches your audience. Second, it supports for multiple languages. Polly isn't just about English. You can type your text in various supported languages and choose a voice that matches that language. This helps if your content is used in different regions or if you want to share the same message with users worldwide without manually recording audio in every language. Third, different output options for the audio. Once Polly generates the speech, you can listen to it directly in the console, download it as an audio file like MP3, or save it to an S3 bucket. You can quickly test short text in the console, or you can generate audio files that are stored and reused later in your application. Fourth, neural text-to-speech for more natural audio. In the console, you'll usually see an option to use neural text-to-speech. Neural voices use more advanced models to make the speech sound smoother and more human-like compared to standard voices. Whenever it's available for your chosen language and voice, it's a great default choice if you want your audio to sound as natural as possible. Now, moving on with Polly use cases. There are a lot of good use cases that you can think of using Polly. For example, you can have a service that reads online learning content aloud, or add a listen to this article feature button in a news or a blog app, or improving accessibility by reading website content for users who are visually impaired or who prefer listening. Anytime you have text and you rather let people listen to it instead of reading it, Polly is a straightforward way to automate that. Before wrapping up this video, let's summarize the main things you should remember about Amazon Polly. First, it's a text-to-speech service that uses deep learning to generate natural-sounding voices so you don't have to build your own speech engine. You provide a text to it, choose a language and a voice, and Polly returns audio that you can play right away, download, or store in Amazon S3 for later use. It supports multiple languages and a variety of voices, which help you match your content to different audiences, regions, or tones. Typical use cases of Amazon Polly includes reading articles, reading product updates, app contents, or improving accessibility by reading on-screen text aloud. Anywhere you want to turn reading content into spoken content automatically, Amazon Polly is your go-to option. Okay, that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you found this helpful, please make sure you subscribe to your YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.